What began as a mere vision is now cast in concrete. After a year of what once was grass, now stands the promise of a more connected Philippines. We are Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation, and we proudly present our most advanced toll road in the country. Welcome to the CALAEx. This 4-lane, 45-kilometer expressway begins near the SLEX Mamplasan interchange in Laguna and will exit on the Cavitex at Kawit, Cavite. On its completion, it will serve the 50,000 motorists passing through Laguna and Cavite by reducing travel time to 30 minutes, alleviating traffic, and providing a safe, efficient, and scenic drive. Following the groundbreaking in June 2017, Phase 1 of construction covering the Laguna segment has been picking up momentum and is now in its final stages. It will be completed mid-2019. Phase 2, covering the Cavite segment, will begin second half of 2019 and will be completed in the next 2 years. By 2021, the CALAEx will be fully operational and will be the standard of toll road modernization across the Philippines. The CALAEx has a total of 8 interchanges and is composed of 2 segments. The Laguna segment begins at the toll barrier coming from the South Luzon Expressway, a major thoroughfare in the south. The Technopark interchange connects to the BPO, manufacturing, and automotive hub of Laguna. It then proceeds to the Laguna Boulevard interchange, giving direct access to this booming IT and industrial location. The Santa Rosa Tagaytay interchange provides an alternate route to Tagaytay while improving access to the bustling eco-community in Santa Rosa. Likewise, the Silang East interchange also serves as an alternative entry point to the popular tourist destination, Tagaytay. The Cavite segment begins at the Silang interchange, which gives alternate access to the agro-industrial and business centers of Dasmariñas, while the Governor's Drive interchange provides an easier route to industrial estates and its serene residential communities. The Open Canal Service Road interchange in General Trias leads to numerous commercial, residential, and industrial developments. Finally, the CALAEx will connect with the Cavitex through the Kawit interchange. This road network between the CALAEx, the Cavitex, and the C5 Southlink will give businesses, families, and friends seamless access through Laguna, Cavite, Las Piñas, Manila, Parañaque, and Taguig like never before. What makes the CALAEx different is the look and feel your trip will take through this road. Enjoy traveling under canopies of trees, through a serene backdrop of fields and mountains, surrounded by a wide array of flora. We intentionally designed both the road and the drive experience so that you won't just get to your destination in the most efficient manner, but the road trip itself will be a pleasurable one. To make that experience complete, the CALAEx is equipped with state-of-the-art, world-class features to ensure safety and security for every motorist. An automatic license plate recognition system provides additional vehicle identification, enabling barrier-less entry. An improved RFID system leads to higher and more efficient lane throughput. Weigh-in motion sensors will detect overloaded vehicles. IP-based speed detection cameras and HD CCTVs cover the entire expressway for traffic monitoring and incident detection. Plus a wide array of gasoline stations, retail outlets, convenience stores, restaurants, along with security, medical, and maintenance centers will address the needs of every motorist that passes through our toll road. Through state-of-the-art technology and responsible modernization, the Metro Pacific Tollways Group, and together with the Philippine government through DPWH, spearhead the building of infrastructure for nation building. Through the CALAEx, let us move our country forward to a brighter future.